Alright, so we have presents in the tree, stocking stuffers, food cooking or probably already cooked. My brother making mozzarella sticks with Dorito. I gotta show you. This looks so good. Look at that. So basically he's getting some cheese right there, and then he like crushes some of the Doritos, and then he puts it in this bowl, and then he, I don't know what he does, but he like, I don't know. You explain. What are we doing?
The Doritos loaded something from 7-Eleven.
Yeah, but how did you like make the Dorito stick on there?
You get Doritos, you put them in here, then you grind it, the blender. So it looks like this.
Yeah.
Then you get some eggs, you whisk them, make them look like that. You get the flour, then you grab the cheese, you put it in the flour first, then here, and it looks like that.
Wow.
And then you put it in hot oil.
I bet they're good. We'll see. We have to try them. So that's basically what's going on right now. In a couple hours, I think, or probably in 1 hour, our guests will be arriving. And I don't know if you guys can tell. I've been trying not to, mention this, but can you tell my eyebrow? I look weird. I look so different. Look at me. I'm looking at myself through the screen though. So, like, I look really different. These are my real eyebrows though, but I filled them in, I kind of trimmed them, and plucked. So they look on fleek, but then I look really weird. I look really different, like this, like they look good, but like on me, it's kind of, you have to get used to it, and then it'll look, good on me, if you know what I mean.
It's just water and food coloring.
Do they get close to what they do? Do they get close to what they do?
What do you mean?
Like, do they dance like this?
I mean, look at her. She's like the best. She's slightly off.
Slightly off.
Look at her.
I know I didn't give a present to anybody, so. Who's this from? From your mom?
My mom, yeah.
Gracias, tía.
Let me see.
What is it?
Are you recording or taking pictures?
I'm recording. That's pretty.
Record her.
It's recording, it's recording.
Hey, record her.
Wait, I think so.
Alright, open
You
it.
press this button. Yeah, you're recording.
50 years later.
Alfonso todavía es que lo
Hey, this will be next.
She's recording.
Oh my god, a GoPro.
You're really a GoPro.
What is it?
Oh my god, no. Oh my
Another camera?
She just got this one.
For real, there's two?
It's a vlogging camera.
It's a what? A vlogging camera. A vlogging.
You can take
Like selfies?
vlogging. Vlog. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, she wants to do the YouTube stuff. She's doing YouTube videos. Okay.
So sweet. Isaac gets to sit down.
Thank you.
Kevin. I'm giving mine first.
He did give it to Oh my god, it's a North Face jacket.
Oh, well.
This is so cool. I asked for it and he remembered.
Next week, same day.
Yeah, that's the only one they had then, yeah.
It's what?
Thank you, Kevin. Kevin, thank you.
There's something.
Kevin, thank you.
You're welcome. What is this?
No, I like it though.
I told you I
I like it, I really do.
Can you open it?
What is it? What is it?
It's a shoes I've been wanting.
Digo, si ves que te queda muy grande.
Damn!
Déjame medirlos a ver.
They're not red. They're plasma
Oh,
colors.
these are tight.
Oh, those are really nice. Let me see. Let me see.
Recognize,
Throw
huh?
them to me.
Gymnastics.
Can you stop, please?
They're dirty already. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's the color.
Are they watching your videos?
Sick, sick.
Yeah, they're embarrassing.
Where's the Alicho?
Cuando vayas allá, luego te agarras tú.
Hey, look, you're in
You're
dirty.
bad, Rasta. That's the time you go type on the
Okay.
Con la camisa.
Let me see. I can't even
Está
see.
chiquita, no me queda.
She got free
Let me see.
She got roasties. She got roasties.
Let me see. You got rope. Did it even fit you?
Está chiquita.
They're size 3, they should fit her.
Ay, Jaimito.
No me quedan.
No, pero sí, la mejor a ti porque no tienes pelo. No,
Para.
fíjate, a ver. Fíjate, a ver. Sí, sí.
Oh, ¿ya lo viste, Jonathan?
A ver, me quedan.
I'm gonna use this for me.
A ver, ¿qué nos
¿Cuál es el mejor regalo que a todos les
La
gusta?
salvación. Que el Señor Jesucristo nos dio.
Food?
¿Alguien más?
Is that really hard? Are you
No,
gonna
no
come
entiendo.
up with
¿Cuál es el mejor regalo que a todos les gusta?
Food.
El que más me
Mira.
gusta es tener a Jesús en mi
let me get
corazón.
one
Ese
of
es el
those.
más. para
Ok,
mí.
¿quién más?
What is it?
That's funny.
What is it? A tie. What is it?
Come on, come on, come on.
Me gusta el papel.
What is it?
Damn.
It's a beanie.
Yeah, it's
No,
a
is that
You better share that.
Ok.
what is that?
¿Ya?
The San Francisco Giants beanie.
Nice deal.
There are no Raiders fans here.
Para Sharin.
Raiders are good.
That's for me?
And then,
Nah, it should be SC because you're not even from San
She's
Francisco.
like, yes,
No,
I do, because it
pero
when I
la,
stopped believing in Santa
cuando es una
Claus,
gorra de
that's
esa,
all.
no está igual el
I didn't.
Hey, that's tight. Give it to me. I want
What
it.
is that?
It's food.
It's Mexican. It's Mexican
I need to see
candy.
what it looks like. Come on.
That's Mexican candy.
Mazapanes. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's the candy every kid loves.
That's the Me-
Those are amazing.
That's the Mexican candy.
It's a peanut butter cream.
Si no son mazapanes, son borrachos. They do make them, no? They put alcohol in it.
Oh, these. Okay.
Tú querías
Mazapanes. Yeah.
Tú querías eso.
Yeah, look. You can have one if you want.
Awesome.
I want to get one too.
Oh,
Okay, you can stop now.
Is that one for?
ofrécele
Para sus, el Bell.
ofrécele a alguien
Para
más.
Bell. Tiling, 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 tiling,
Sherry, can you give it to me?
Get what?
Bell. ¿A quién? Para Bell. Ella.
Pasta.
Yeah, she probably does.
Es que
Because
le
she's
puse
bella.
Bell, no,
Because-
Bella. Oh,
Bella.
Como Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, that's
El Beast se
Tinkerbell.
llama Beast y la muchacha se llama Belle.
Oh.
Y como ella siempre está
Tinkerbell,
pensando, le digo,
Tinkerbell.
tú eres Bella. Belle. Te cambié el nombre a Belle.
Thank you. What is this, a scarf?
Ah, sí.
And you got a little beanie.
Como que les decimos a los más.
What happened to mine? What happened to mine?
That was pretty.
Me gustaría pues.
Who's this
Sí,
from?
tiene mucho azúcar eso.
Open it, Shireen.
I need to know who's this from.
Es just un present.
Yeah, this will work for the winter.
Yeah.
I mean, when we go to snow. They look a little small, but okay.
Sí, aquí en la nieve.
Para Yari.
Some socks.
These are pretty.
Yeah. Are you sure?
She can't
I hope you like it. It smells so good.
I need a haircut.
Y se puede
Do you like it?
desde un año antes.
¿Qué
Like it, mama?
No. Puede ser ahorita el interior.
No, está en la alcancía porque yo quiero una, que le toque a mí, yo quiero una cosa buena. Haga su alcancía.
You have to let no.
¿Para qué que sea suertudo?
Estoy cansada, Leti. Sí.
Oh, pero solo hay una.
Pues
Navidad.
mañana te dije que no, porque me quiero dormir hasta que ya el cuerpo me diga ya.
Oh, ese es
levántate.
para Sharin.
What is this?
Oh, ya no.
Oh, it's a cardigan?
De todas maneras, sí van tarde.
Con un belt.
¿Mande?
De todas maneras, sí van tarde. Sí, van
Una
tarde.
blusa negra o una blusa
Ustedes como van para allá y van tarde.
blanca.
Yeah, I like this.
Bueno, a las 3, 4.
Alright, next day.
¿De quién es?
Ready?
For
You see me?
No, this isn't that one. This is missing.
Hey, maybe it'll fit.
Let me try.
Oh, another one and it's black.
This is really the better one?
It's another one and it's black.
Pues sí, para que tengas dos.
Yeah, that's
¿Te gustan las esas?
That's true.
No, es que no tiene.
So I just wanted to thank my brother for buying me this vlogging camera. I've been using this camera. Can you guys see yourselves? I've been using this big one, and I just wanted a normal vlog camera that I can bring everywhere. So he bought it for me, and I was so excited when I saw it, and I just, you know, hugged him so many times. But thank you, brother. I love you so much. Like, you don't understand how much I appreciate this. But other than that, we opened our presents at 12 a.m. so it was already Christmas. And so, you know, us Mexicans don't even wait till the morning. We wait all the way until midnight, and then we open the presents. Like, we don't even care. Like, so that's what we did. My hand's getting so tired right now. You don't understand how much it's getting so tired. I need to switch. Whew. Okay. So I just wanted to end the vlog, and I hope you guys like this. I didn't really do that much, but I mean, I wanted to tell you guys that my 4-year anniversary is actually going to come up, and I'm so excited for that. So leave some suggestions down below if you even dare to comment. Just tell me what you guys want me to do on the 29th, because that's my 4-year anniversary on YouTube, and I have no idea what to do. And other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. And I know December is gonna end, and so is Vlogcember. But I have this snow trip planned, which I haven't really gone to the snow in my life. So I'm so excited for that. So I have that planned, and I think I'm gonna vlog or make a little cute, make a little awesome video of the snow, you know, and just do all that type of stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and bye guys.